Ha ha ha! Gonna do a little bit of a valve lapping job. Pretty simple stuff, but maybe you just don't know how to do it. So after this you will. So you got to get your valves all nice and cleaned up first. I just put them in a drill. Put it in a drill, spin it on the drill. Bit of emery paper. Clean up the shaft, clean everything up. Got a bit of paste, coarse and fine. I've already done the coarse on this one, so I'm just about to run a little bit of fine through it. Nothing too serious. Both valves are the same. Just want to make sure you got a really good seal. Even throw a little bit on the seat just for the heck of it. It doesn't stay there for very long. Pop that in there. Put that bad boy in there. Pretty straightforward stuff. These things always come off. They're a pain in the ass. But if you want it to fit perfect, they spin in the seat anyway when it's running. Whoopsie. And I clean everything off with varnish remover or nail polish remover, all surfaces as well before putting it together. Clean everything up with this, which is actually acetone. So I've cleaned up the valve head, I've cleaned up the suction cup. I'm just basically gonna spin that thing in there. You got to make sure this stays in the middle, otherwise it'll. And you can feel that it's already finished. And there we have a valve all set in there. All right, that's the intake. Before you put any of this together, this whole head has to be extremely well cleaned. It's usually a good idea to use petrol, you know. So here's the intake valve. This valve set is 3429. Here's my double valve springs. Special little retainers, collets. I only use FAG high-speed bearings, 14,000 RPM bearings. Sometimes I use ceramic bearings. All roller. The rollers run on this shaft. Pretty straightforward stuff. And don't forget, you need a spring seat. Otherwise, the springs are going to eat a hole in the head. All right. So we'll do the intake valve, already cleaned up, already spun on the drill. All right. Go to your course first. Just put this on there, spread it around. Then I like to put some in the seat as well. Sorry about that. My tripod shit. A little bit of nail polish remover. Get rid of any oil on this so that you get a good suction. And also get a good suction on this, clean the oil off of this. Everything's got to be clean. I had a valve stem seal that wasn't very good, so if you have to take it apart, may as well do it properly. So boom, sounds great, but always better if you know 100% for sure. Oh, look at that. She's tight. Okay. Oh, yeah. These things are so shit. Might be better with a smaller one. This thing's spinning in itself. Junk. Can't stand junk. But it's worth doing it. It really is worth doing it. Any little leak of compression, your idle will be crap. This piece of shit thing. Far out. Here we go. Get it back in the middle. Fits so good. Ugh. Let's have a look at that. I'd already done this before, but kind of want you guys all to learn how to do this stuff properly at home, because you're really missing out on a lot of horsepower and a lot of fun. And it's rewarding to do it all yourself and get that extra little boost of power. Beautiful idle. Harness all them ponies. All right, now go to the fine. A little bit of fine. And that around the edge. Put the leftover on there. Add a little bit more, why not? As you can see, I've got a steel insert and my spark plug is recessed a little bit, something I've been experimenting with. So far, so good. Another clean tissue. Clean up the top of the valve. get a good seal. Might try the small one on this one actually. That big one's a bit of a pain in the butt. Sounds great. Good old thud. See, will she spin? No, it won't even spin. Such a tight fit. Get on there. Ugh. Fits so good. You got to pull your head apart. You may as well just make sure they're perfect. That's perfect. Oh, get out of it. If anybody knows of a better quality one of these in Indonesia, please let me know. This is really crap. And no, you can't hook it up to a drill. You screw everything up and wear it all out. Doesn't need much. Oh, that sounds good. You can hear it making a nice little sound. All right. Now that is going to be lovely. Then this whole head is going to get a full degrease. Here in Indonesia, I like this engine degreaser, but it's not the white foamy shit, you know. That's how you can tell if you got it right or not. But I will be doing the whole thing in gasoline, petrol, benzene, whatever you want to call it. And I'll be putting in new valve stem seals. Lapping valves 101.